kendi gimat kiba nagaliang do sport club.
Following the recent departure of Rbdcc District Congress Committee President and Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar, along with Umsning MLA Dr. Celestine Lingdo, who both joined NPP, the Rbdcc District Congress Committee Rbdcc yesterday convened a meeting at Raindrop Conference Hall in Sidon. During this meeting, new office bearers for the Congress Party in Rbdcc District were elected. The newly elected office bearers of the Rbdcc included the President, M.G. Kharshanlor, Working President G.S. Shadap, Senior Advisor Stanley Wes Rimbai, Advisor Adrian Khan Milimngap, Vice Presidents Rocky Marwen, Prang Sinkli, Reverend P.W. Pnar, Shalwes Malay, General Secretary, Defender S. Lamari, and others.
Ki angut ki nomi khmat kina yalam jong ka parti kongres na po Rbdcc district kata kalong iba Charles Marngar bolong presiden jong Rbdcc district committee angkat bat Dr. Celestine Lingdo kilami no na parti kongres men penyesuai ila dia bat ke parti NPP harangkat bat kejingdan lang ni ba Gabriel Walang bolong mede jong ka jong stan ke nagaliang jong Rbdcc district kongres committee hadin jong di perkat bersani ba nang ba jong ki katukan ni beli ki tayo ai perkat dengan puson kumno ba incline parti halor ke jingduno jongi ya presiden barang ba jong ke distrik kelayo ya karai mentakasi bansim eksenjam banjet yakinong mikmat yakinong yalam batmai jong parti kongres kentup nadu presiden working president vice president general secretary bat baro kinong pikam jong ke parti kongres apa Rbdcc distrik.